In the past 7 days, Premier League champions Chelsea have been linked with moves for Peter Crouch, Andy Carroll and a selection of other tall target men. Antonio Conte is clearly hellbent on a big, threatening presence in forward positions at Stamford Bridge, but some unexpected names have caused major concern among supporters. Despite a promising start to life at Chelsea, Alvaro Morata has been firing blanks of late, so would Crystal Palace striker Christian Benteke do the job? I must repeat, the Premier League champions are exploring a loan move for Christian Benteke, a player who has scored just 1 goal in 17 appearances this season. Palace, however, are not willing to let the Belgian leave on a temporary basis, but they could be tempted by a permanent deal. After a frustrating